Hi, my name is Angela Schmidt. I am a licensed attorney and founder of Legal Docs HZ. As a brief introduction, originally Legal Docs HZ was established as a document preparation services to assist the public with efficient and cost-effective services of family law-related matters only. Experience had shown that our client needed an immediate change in wills, trust, power of attorney, or other estate planning documents. To meet our client needs, we expanded our services to estate planning as well as family-related matters. Estate planning is especially important if you have a real property or asset worth over $150,000. Estate planning is also important in case if you become physically or mentally disabled. If you don't have a proper plan, the court will appoint conservatorship for you. And whether you like it, this person or not, he or she will sign all the documents on your behalf. What is the estate planning? Estate planning is the creation of the documents which complement each other. Such documents are a revocable trust agreement, declaration of trust, certification of trust, assignment of personal property, assignment of business interest, last will and testament, and trust transfer deed, and preliminary change of ownership report. It is important to point out that the trust is not only the instrument to avoid probate. There are some other instruments. For example, a revocable transfer of the on-death deed. This is a very important instrument, and we will dedicate a whole video explaining advantages and disadvantages of this estate planning document. Let's look at the option you have to proceed with your estate planning journey. First option is to do it yourself estate planning. There are a lot of material online and in public library to educate you on the estate planning. For example, NOLA material is most comprehensible that I would recommend for do-it-yourself option. If you consider doing estate planning yourself, you should also look online software. For example, NOLA online software, $59.99, or LegalZoom software. Those are very fine companies, and if you follow the manual precisely, you will be able to create a valid estate planning document. However, you will never know that this document effectuate your intent until something happens if you become deceased or disabled. Your second option to take care of your estate planning is to hire an experienced paralegal. Experienced paralegal usually know how to set up a proper trust. Usually they use a software similar to the software licensed attorney using. When you hire a paralegal, be sure you use a paralegal registered as a legal document assistant, LDA. LDA is bonded, licensed, and registered with the county and able to provide legal services without the direct supervision of an attorney. Some negative sides of using paralegal are: first, they cannot give you legal advice if you have a complex situation and it deviates from paralegal usual routine of creating a trust. They will need to send you to licensed attorney. So you will go between attorney and paralegal back and forward and pay both. Also, paralegal cannot provide a customary provision in your trust. If your situation involved a unique asset, problematic or disabled child, if you have a substantial amount in 401k or IRAs, or if you would like to dedicate some money for charity, you better to create your estate planning with a licensed attorney. The cost of paralegal to prepare your estate planning for individual varied between 800 and 1100. The cost of paralegal for joint trust between 1100 and 1700. The cost of attorney for individual trust between 1200 and 1800, and the cost of attorney for joint trust between $1,800 and $3,000. If you have any question, please email at angela@legaldocs@huz.com or give us a call 714-390-3766. Thank you for your attention.